Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to share calendar on Outlook. So for this go to your Outlook and go to this calendar section, and now you have to choose which you wanna share. Then I choose this one. Okay, now go to the email calendar. You have to choose full details. Okay, then go to OK. Tap on continue. So here it is. Now you have to uh, type or write here email to which you wanna share. Okay, I'll type here, and now you have to send it, and it's done. So guys, this is how you can share calendar on Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.